Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to describe the style of a song using the SUNO mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the SUNO app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the plus icon or the create button. To start making a new song, tap on custom. Now you will see a section where you enter details for your song. There might be fields like lyrics or song idea, title or style. Tap on the style or describe song style section. This is where you tell SUNO how you want the song to sound. In the style box, use simple words to explain how you want to create your song. Once your style is described, double check the lyrics or title. If you added any, then hit the generate or create song button. SUNO will create a song based on your description, and that's it. You have just described your song style in the SUNO mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.